Okay guys, so I'm just starting out with dirty, old, crusty, dry hair. So my hair hasn't been deep conditioned in about 4 days here and it desperately needs some moisture. So for shampoo and conditioner, I've been using the ArtNaturals Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner, and I've been loving both of them. I like to use the shampoo once a month, and then I like to co-wash with the conditioner about twice a week, and they feel amazing on the scalp and the hair. So like I said, I needed some moisture today, so I went for my Sheamoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I mentioned this in Kendra and I's most recent video. You guys want to go check it out if you haven't already. And I like to start by going in and sectioning my hair in 4 different sections just to make sure I distribute the deep conditioner evenly. I like to take about that much to each section, and I actually take about 2 dollops of that. So this amount you just saw, I take about 2 of those to each section, and I just like to work it through my hair all the way from the roots to the ends. And I like to especially focus on my ends when I'm deep conditioning because that is the oldest part of your hair, and that's the part that needs the most love. Your scalp needs some love, but not as much as your ends. So paying attention to your ends is how you retain length, and that's how you're going to see the growth from your hair. And after I've applied the conditioner to each part of my hair, I like to go in with an oil, and this is the one that I used this day, my Macadamia treatment oil. And I like to take about 2 pumps of this and work it into my ends and throughout my hair. So I don't like to section for the oil just because I don't feel like it's necessary. And I like to put this all over my hair, again focusing on the ends. So I really like adding the oil to my deep conditioners because I find that when I don't, my hair is not as shiny when I rinse my deep conditioner out. So the oil just boosts the deep conditioning process. So I like to use 2 different shower caps and double them just because I feel like it makes the deep conditioning treatment more intense. I also like to add a beanie because it traps the heat even more and penetrates the deep conditioner even better. So I like to use a blow dryer attachment, and I got this one from Sally's years ago. It's by Golden Hot, and it works just fine still, and I like to sit under here for about 25 minutes. The heat just really helps to penetrate the deep conditioner really well, especially if you don't have time to leave it in overnight. I like to rinse my hair with cold water because it just helps my hair to be more shiny and less frizzy when I go in and style. But this is my hair with no product in it, and it's rinsed once again with cold water. So that's another tip for you guys if you didn't already know. So yeah, this is just my hair with no product in it, like I said, and it's super soft and shiny and way more manageable than it was before. So deep conditioning is super important for the health of your hair, and also it helps a ton when you're styling and doing your wash and goes. And it's a lot less tangly as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.